Hi there, my name's David, and in this video I'm going to talk you through all the essential clothing and equipment that you'll need for your canoeing holiday with Wilderness Scotland. For your clothing, we recommend a layered approach. You'll start off with a base layer such as merino wool or a synthetic. On top of that, you'll wear a fleece or a woolly jumper. It's worth bringing along a heavier fleece for the odd colder day. On the outside, you can wear a jacket that's waterproof and breathable, such as Gore-Tex. For the lower body, you can wear similar to what you'd wear on your top half. You can start off with some woolly long johns or synthetic if it's cold outside, or if it's nice and warm, you can just wear some lightweight walking trousers that are quick drying, similar to the ones that you would wear for hiking. On the outside, you would wear over trousers that again are breathable and waterproof, just to keep you dry from any splashes in the boat. You can also bring along some shorts that are nice and comfortable. For your feet, it largely comes down to personal preference, but we recommend a good pair of Wellington boots. You could also wear neoprene wetsuit boots or a comfy pair of trainers as long as they have good grip. With our clothing, we also need to think about our extremities such as our head and our hands. It can be a bit cooler on the water than on land, so it's important to bring along a good pair of gloves and a woolly hat to keep you nice and warm. On sunny days, it can be quite bright on the water, so bring along a sun hat to keep the sun off your face and a good pair of sunglasses to keep the sun out of your eyes. You should also bring along a water bottle or a hydration bladder so that you've got something to drink while you're on the water. For a full list of both the essential and the recommended optional items, please check the gear list which is available on our website. We hope to see you on the water here in Scotland soon.